We are going to compare the Nord 3 versus the Google Pixel 7a. With the Pixel 7a already available, I'm going to give it a point here. They have the same weight, but the Nord 3 is thinner. So the Nord 3 wins here. The Pixel 7a has a better aluminum frame and a better ingress protection rating, so the Pixel wins. The Nord 3 has smoother display type and a brighter display. Also, it has bigger display size, so it wins here. The Nord 3 has higher display resolution and a better display protection, so the Nord 3 wins. Both runs the same Android 13 version, so I will give it a tie. The Nord 3 wins because it has better chipset, the Dimensity 9000 chip. The Nord 3 wins here because it has a bigger storage and RAM. The Pixel 7a doesn't have a macro camera, but it has higher main camera resolution and a wider ultra-wide camera, so it wins. The Pixel 7a also offers a slower to 140 FPS slow-mo video, so it also wins. The Pixel 7a has a wider selfie camera, so it also wins here. The Pixel 7a has a better Wi-Fi and Bluetooth version. It also has a faster USB Type-C. The Pixel 7a has a barometer sensor, so the Pixel 7a wins. The Nord 3 has a bigger battery capacity and a faster charging speed, so it wins here. The Pixel 7a offers more colors, so it wins here. The OnePlus Nord 3 is cheaper, so it automatically wins in this category. These are the pros and cons of each device. So, which one is better if you are on photography heavily? I offer you the Google Pixel 7a, but if you are the performance mainly, the Nord 3 is what is right for you. So this is the end of the video. I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you.